Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Mike and Ike candy bulk pack. This pack comes with a bonus mint pack here, little small mints. The whole pack has 8 boxes in it and 4 different flavors. We got the sour here. Next, we have the mega mix. The next one, we have the original fruit flavors here. And last, we have the berry blast. Let me open up this one right here so you can see what they look like. You just push that tab right there and give you a nice little access hole. This is what they look like. They're kind of like long versions of jelly beans, but they taste pretty good. And here's what the bonus mints look like. Little tiny mints, but they're good as well. I hope this review helps.